Ici nĩ imwe wa nduthiria igũkorwo ikihuthika ni maabitha a mititu kaunti-ini ino mutaratara-ini wa farmer filed schools. Gavana wa Taita Taveta Granton Samboja ni ugite nduthi ici ni ikotithia maabitha ake gukinyira aikari na kumathomithia uria mangigitira mititu.
I want to assure you all what you have given us, will take good care of it and make sure there is value for money. And I want to urge you, we continue with this partnership so that we can take it to a higher level.
And one of the methodologies that we are employing is what we call farmer field schools methodology. We have started 7 FFS, that is farmer field schools here.
Oho Samboja ni acokirie ngatho Ruhonge rwa kuramata maria maturigiceirie kuona ona mari muharine wa mbere guthaitira mititu mwena ucio. Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjugu wa Wachira.